alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are doing well at your home. Okay, beta, in the previous class we have learned the unit number unit number 11 season. We have started this unit, and inshallah today we are going to complete this unit. So let's have a quick review on the previous class. Okay, beta, what are seasons? Okay, the different times in a year, the different times in a year are called season, and there are four seasons in a year. We have learned in the previous class that there are four seasons in a year. Number one is spring, and the number second summer, and the third one fall. Fall is also known as autumn season, and the fourth one is called winter season. Okay, do you remember this one? Okay, now again, the first one is spring. That means when the spring ends, the summer begins. Okay, and the after summer, which season will come? Yes, fall season, autumn season, and the after fall season? Yes, winter season. Okay, so there are four seasons in a year. Okay, the first season is called spring. The spring begins as soon as the winter ends. But the winter is the last season. In the winter there is too much snow on the mountains top. You can see here in the picture. Okay, there are too much snow on the top of the mountain. So when the winter ends and the spring begins, the snow begins to melt from the mountain's top. Okay, and then you can see the greenery everywhere in the spring season. Okay, and there is no too much snow in the spring season because spring begins to melt from the mountain tops in the spring season. Okay, and the second is, better remember this point is very important. Birds come back to warmer days and nights. Okay, as you know, in the winter season there is too much cold outside. Okay, and the birds fly away, and in this season birds come back to warmer days and nights. Okay, in which season? In spring season. Okay, beta, remember this point. In spring season birds come back to warmer days and nights. Okay, and young plants begin to grow and turn green, and the new birds. Okay, beta, and the new birds mean yes, a baby flower. Okay, a baby flower, and the young plants begin to grow and turn green. You can see here the flowers bloom. Okay, the flowers bloom in the garden, in the park, everywhere. That's why spring is a beautiful season. You can see the beauty everywhere. Okay, beta, you can see the beauty everywhere. Okay, so the flowers bloom, and the bees. You can see here the bees and the butterflies collect nectar. This is a butterfly and the bees. Okay, bees collect nectar from the flower. Okay, what is nectar? I have told you in the previous class. Nectar is a sweet liquid, beta, honey. Like the honey bees collect honey from the flowers. Yes, so nectar is a sweet liquid like honey. Okay, got it? And the other season is summer season. Okay, summer season comes after spring. Okay, and it gets very warm and sunny. Why? Because the sun shines so bright in the summer season. Okay, and the days are long and hot. Okay, the days are long and hot in the summer season, and we, because of the warm days, we usually wear the light clothes to keep ourselves cool. You can see here we wear we wear t-shirts and the light clothing and the sleeper, and we usually wear sunglasses when we go out. Okay, so this is the summer season. Okay, the days are long and hot. Okay, now, and people go to the seaside to keep themselves cool. Okay, and we usually go to the seaside, to the sea view. Okay, to the Hawke's Bay in the summer season. Why? Because water helps us to keep ourselves cool. Okay, and we like to have ice cream and cold drinks, watermelon, and the juices. Okay, and why watermelon? Because this is a juicy fruit. Okay, and we like to have ice cream, the cold drinks. We usually better take the cold things in the summer season. Okay, got it? Now, the next season is autumn season. Autumn is also known as fall season. Okay, and the autumn comes just before the winter. Okay, autumn comes just before the winter, and a cool, dry wind blows. Beta wind means moving air. Strong moving air is called wind. A cool, dry wind blows, making the leaves dry and the fall from the trees. Beta when the leaves gets dry, it turn into the different colors. You can see the yellow, red, orange, and the brown color. Okay, and then leaves fall from the trees. Okay, this is called, because of the falling leaf, this is called fall season. Okay, autumn is also known as fall season because the leaves fall from the trees and all the trees look bare. Bare means without leaves. You can see here that all the leaves are on the ground. Yes, and the trees look bare. Bare means the trees are without leaves. Okay, got it, Pite? Are you clear on this? Okay, now the other is what will happen in the next? Yes, animals that sleep during the winter begin collecting and eating food. But I will explain this point in the winter season, in the next season. Okay, but in the like the birds and the animals also sleep during the winter. Animals sleep during the winter because of the cold. So they collect food in the autumn season. But I remember this point. Animals collect food in the autumn season. Okay, animals collect food in the autumn season. Okay, and the birds fly away to warmer places where they can find food and shelter, because they know the birds are also very sharp. They know the next season is the winter season. The winter season is very cold season, so the birds fly away to warmer places. Okay, so that they can find food and shelter. Shelter means home. Like you can see the nest. Nest is a home of the birds. Okay. So, beta, now let's start the today's lesson. Okay, the winter season. Winter is the last season. Okay, and the air becomes cold and chilly. In the winter season, the air becomes cold and chilly, and there is too much cold outside in the winter season. The days get shorter, and the nights are long and cold. Okay, the nights are long and cold. Okay, and the mountain tops are covered with the snow. Okay, beta, you can see it. Remember the second point, beta. In the summer season, the days are very hot and long, but in the winter season, the days get shorter. Okay, the days get shorter, and the nights are very long and cold in the winter season. Okay, and the mountain tops are covered with the snow, and because of this snow, because snow is everywhere in the winter season, so there is too much cold outside in the winter season. Okay, Bete? Now, and we put on some warm clothes. Okay, and we put on warm clothes like we usually wear gloves, caps, coat, sweater, socks. Okay, and you remember when you go to the school in the winter season, you wear green sweater and gloves. Okay, and why? Because there is too much cold outside in the winter season, and we usually wear the warm clothes to keep ourselves warm in the winter season. Okay, beta. And the fifth point, and you can see here the woolen clothes. Okay, and we usually wear the woolen clothes. Okay, and we like to sit near the fire. You can see here the kids are sitting near the fire. Yes, and we like to sit near the fire wearing woolen clothes. Okay, and we usually wear the woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. You can see here in the picture the warm clothes. Okay, and in the nowadays we also have the heater. Like the fire gives us heat, same like the heater also gives us heat, and we usually sit near the fire or near the heater in the winter season. Okay, beta, and we love we love to drink hot soup and coffee and tea. Oh, you can see the girl. Okay, she is wearing the woolen clothes. She is wearing the cap, muffler, gloves, and the coat. Okay, and she is drinking a coffee or a tea because we usually love to drink the hot things. Basically, we usually love to drink the hot things, okay, like the hot soup. Oh, you can see here the hot soup and the hot coffee and the tea because there is too much snow in the on in the outside. Okay, beta. But in Karachi, we cannot see the snowfall in Karachi. But when you go to the northern areas, like when you go to the Murray, Naran, Kawan, there is too much snow. You can see here the snow. Yes, and there is too much snow outside, okay, in the winter season, okay. And some animals, and but at this point, okay, some animals sleep during the cold winter. You can see here, oh, the bear is sleeping because there is too much cold, okay. And some animals usually find a place for sleeping, okay. So that's why beta in the we have learned in the autumn season that some animals that sleeps during the winter collect and they begin eating the food. You can see here, wait, in the this point, the animals that sleep during the winter begin collecting and eating food. So in this season, in the autumn season, animals usually collect and store the food for the cold winter days, okay, for the cold days. And so that because there is too much cold outside in the winter season and we usually don't go outside. Same like that, animals also usually sleep in the cold season because they don't want to go outside in the cold season. Okay, in the cold days. So winter is the coldest season. Okay, remember this point, bete. Winter is the coldest season, and which season is the hottest? Yes, if your answer is summer, then it's absolutely correct. Okay, summer is the hottest season and winter is the coldest season because of the snow. Okay, because snow is everywhere in the winter season, so this season is very cold. Okay, now can you name the four seasons? How many seasons are there? Yes, there are four seasons in a year: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. And we have learned all four seasons. Okay, and now what is the monsoon? What is the monsoon? Very often there are thick gray clouds in the sky. Very often there are thick gray clouds. You can see here the thick gray clouds in the sky. The wind begins. Wind means a strong air begins to blow, and there may be some and a lot of rain. Do you like the rain? And because this is known as the monsoon rain. And nowadays, because we have been enjoying the rainy season, and this season is called the monsoon rain. Okay, do you like the monsoon rain? Yes, I really like the monsoon rain. Okay, do you like the rainy season? Yes, because there is a rain everywhere in the monsoon. Why? Because there are thick gray clouds in the sky. You can observe the thick gray clouds in the sky when there is a rain. Okay, and there is a strong air begins to blow, and there may be some and sometime a lot of rain, and this is known as the monsoon. Okay, this is known as monsoon. Okay, okay, beta. Now the other word is the thunderstorm. Is a thunder. Thunder means beta, uh, when the rain begins, you can hear a sound like uh, gur 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 gur. That is thunder. Okay, thunder is a loud, noisy sound. Okay, Thunder is a loud, noisy sound and lightning with a heavy rain. So this is called a thunderstorm. You can see here in the picture, okay, when there is a thick gray clouds and then when the clouds move and we can hear the voice, a loud voice, gur gur gur, and the lightning. You can see the lightning, okay, and with a heavy rain, okay, and this is called a thunderstorm. Okay, beta, now you know what is thunderstorm. This is called a thunderstorm. Thunderstorm is a thunder means loud noise and a lightning with a heavy rain. Okay, beta, are you clear on this? What is monsoon? Monsoon is the rainy season. Beta, it usually begins from the month of July to September in Pakistan. Okay, beta, monsoon begins from July to the September mostly. Okay, so now the monsoon. Okay, what is the monsoon? Monsoon is the rainy season. Okay, and what is a thunderstorm? Is a thunder and lightning with a heavy rain. Okay. Now, beta, it's time to play a game. Okay, you will tell me the answer in the chat box. Okay, beta, are you ready? My smart students, are you ready for a game? Okay, beta, I will show you. Okay, in this game, beta, I will show you three pictures. Okay, three pictures of one season, and you will guess the season and you will write the answer in the chat box. Okay, beta, you will write the answer in the chat box. Okay, got it? Okay, so but I will show you three pictures of each season. Okay, so the first picture is this. Okay, and the second picture is, oh, this is a very colorful picture. You can easily guess the name. Okay, the flowers bloom on the trees. Oh wow, it looks beautiful. And the butterfly is collecting nectar from the flowers, and the plants begin to sprout. You can see the plants and the new birds begins to grow, and there is a leaves and the birds and the flowers everywhere. Okay, so can you name the season? Okay, my smart students, hurry up, beta. Tell me the answer. Very good, beta. Very good. Okay, some students give me the answer, and this answer is very correct answer. Okay, beta. So this season is spring season. So clap for those students who gave the right answer. Beta, clap for yourself. Very good, beta. I have seen your names, beta, who gave the right answer. Very good. So the next is, are you ready for the next? Yes. So the next picture is, oh, a green tree with a fruits. Oh, the hot day because the sun is shining so bright. And the third is, a kid is sitting near the sea wearing the sunglasses and he is drinking a juice. Wow. So can you tell me the name of this season? Very good, beta. Very good. So this season is called, yes, the answer is summer season. Very good. The answer is summer season because the tree leaves are very green and you can see the fruit, and the days are very hot because the sun is shining. Okay, and we wear usually light clothes, sunglasses, and we drink the cold drinks and the juices in the summer season. Very good. Okay, so the next one is bird. Bird is eating. Bird is eating the food. Okay, and you can see a brown, yellow leaves are falling from the tree, and the most of the leaves are on the ground, and the tree look almost bare. Okay, and this animal is squirrel. Oh, this is very smart and collecting and eating food. So the animal is collecting and eating food in the birds. You can see a bird here, and this is the leaves are falling from the tree. And I think this answer is very easy. Yes, this is called as autumn season. This is called as autumn season. Very good. Okay, so are you ready for the next picture? Yes. Oh, all the things you can see here, the road and the trees, all the things, and even the cars, all the things are covered with the snow. I think you can guess it. My smarter students, you can guess it. Oh, the snowman. Oh, this is very easy. Okay, the snowman. Okay, and the third one is fire. You can see a fire. You can see a cup. That means it will be filled with the coffee or a tea. And you can see the shawls here. Oh wow! And this season is the winter season. Okay, because you can see here a snowman, a fire, a cup of coffee, a woolen clothes, and everything's are covered with the snow because this is the winter season. So clap for those students who gave the right answer. Very good, beta. And so conclusion, beta. In this we have learned about the season chapter. Okay, so we are going to sum up the topic or the main points of the topic. Beta, the different times in a year are called seasons. Okay, beta, the different times in a year are called season. Okay, and the beta, every season affect all living things, and who are living things like animals, like human beings and the plants. So uh, every season affect all living things. Okay, and why different season affect us? Because of the changes in the weather. Okay, because of the changes in the weather, like you can observe the different weather changes in every season. Okay, like there is too much cold in the winter season, and there is too much hot and the long days in the summer season. Very good. Okay, and you can see flowers blooming and the colorful flowers everywhere in the spring season, and you can see the tree looks bare in the autumn season and the leaves falling from the trees in the autumn season. So these changes are called the seasons. Okay, these different times in a year are called season. Okay, beta, have you got it? Okay, now the next one is there are four seasons in a year. But I have already told you most of the countries in the world have the four seasons. Okay, and in Pakistan we have four seasons. We are very lucky because we can observe the all four seasons. Okay, so the first one is spring. Okay, and after spring, which season? Yes, the summer. Okay, after spring, the summer comes. Okay, and when summer ends, next season will be autumn. Very good, autumn season. And the last is winter. Okay, beta. So remember this sequence: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Okay, spring, summer, autumn, and winter. And what will happen after winter? Okay, after winter, again the spring. Okay, and this cycle will continue same like this: spring, summer, autumn, winter, then again spring, summer, autumn, winter. I hope you are clear on this. Okay, now spring begins as soon as the winter ends. When the winter ends, okay, the snow begins to melt from the mountains. Remember this point? Okay, and the spring begins when the winter ends. Okay, and the summer comes. This is the summer. Okay, summer comes. When summer comes? Summer comes after spring and before autumn. Okay, beta, you can see the sequence here. Okay, and summer is the hottest season. Summer is the hottest season. Okay, summer is the hottest season, and autumn comes just before the winter. Okay, autumn, this is the autumn season. Autumn season comes just before the winter season. Okay, you remember this point? Animals collect and eating the food in the autumn season before the winter comes. Okay, so that means autumn season comes just before the winter. Okay, and the fourth one is winter is the coldest season. Okay, winter is the coldest season. Okay, beta. Now this is the time for the home task. Okay, beta. What will you do? You will make a title page of season number. You will make a title page of unit number 11, seasons. Okay, then you will write a bit. I think you have done this question in your copy. Okay, now again beta, I'm showing you the home task. Okay, this is the complete home task of unit number 11. Okay, take a picture or a screenshot of this. What will you do? Question number 1. I think question number 1 you have done this in the previous class. Define season. Okay, beta, what is season? The different times in a year are called season. And write 4 lines on spring and summer season. What will you do? You will write a line on spring and summer season. And most of the students have done this homework in the previous class, but I have given you question number 1 and this picture in the previous class. Okay, so add this one picture. Okay beta, define season, write 4 lines on spring and summer season. Question number 2, observe the given picture, identify the seasons and write 4 lines on each season. Okay, what will you do? You will have to identify the season. Okay, beta, you don't need to draw these diagrams in your copy. Okay beta, you don't need to draw these pictures in your copy. Okay, don't draw these pictures. Okay, what will you do beta? You will write identification or the topic and you will write the name. Okay, guess what is the season, and you will write the name of the season in the identification. Then you will write the 4 lines on each season. Okay beta, you can take the help from the slides. Okay, these all the things are given in the slides or as well as in the book. Beta, in the winter season you can take the help from the book, page number 48. Okay, and from the for the autumn season you can take the help from the book, page number 47. For the summer book, page number 47, and for the spring, page number 46 from the book. Okay, and all these things are also given in the slide. What will you do? You will write the identification and you will write the 4 lines on each season. Okay, and this is very simple and you can do it. Okay, now the next, okay beta, question number 3 is solve the textbook exercise. Beta, you will do the blanks in your book. Okay beta, solve the textbook exercise. You will do the blanks in the book and you will write the question answer in your fair copy of science subject. Okay beta, so open your book, all of you beta, open your book, page number 48. Okay, keep your pencil and eraser with you. Okay, so in the beta, I will tell you the answer of the blanks. Okay, fill your book. Okay, fill in the blanks with the correct words. So the first one is, okay, you can see number A. First one is dash is a cold season. Dash is a cold season. Which one? Winter. Very good. And in dash, it is hot and sunny. Sunny means sun. Okay, it in dash it is hot and sunny. In which season? Summer. Okay beta, summer. Summer is the correct answer. Some animals collect food in that season. Beta, I have already told you many times. So the answer is, you know the answer, autumn season. Some animals collect food in the autumn season. Okay beta, now the next is page number 49 on your book. They sleep. They are talking about the animals. Okay beta, they means animals. Here they are talking about the animals. They sleep and rest in dash. So the animals sleep and rest in winter season because there is too much cold outside. So they usually sleep and rest in winter season. Birds fly away to a dash place before the winter comes. Okay, to a warmer place because winter is the coldest season. So the birds fly away to a warmer place. Warmer place. Okay, beta. Warmer is the answer. F. They fly back in that season. In which season the birds fly back? Spring, in spring season. Okay, birds fly back in spring season. Okay beta, here they are talking about the birds. Okay, birds fly back because they are about flying, so only birds can fly. Okay, so the birds fly back in spring season. Okay, and the monsoon brings dash to our country. Oh, you know the answer, rain. The monsoon brings rain to our country. Okay, now solve the riddles. Oh, this one is very interesting. Solve the riddles, guess and write the name of the season in the blanks below. Okay, beta, write the answer in the chat box. Hurry up, be quick. Okay, A. It is cold and windy. The nights are long and chilly. Oh, which season? It is cold and windy. The nights are long and chilly. Yes, the winter season. Winter is the right answer. Okay, B. You eat mangoes and wear light clothes. The days are long and hot. You love to go out to picnic near a lake or sea. In which season? Yes, the answer is summer season. Very good. See, leaves turn yellow, red, or brown and start falling off the trees. It is cooler, especially in the evenings. Okay, beta, you can guess it because the leaves turn yellow and start falling from off the trees, beta. So the answer is autumn season. Very good. And the D, new leaves and the birds. Birds means with a baby flower. Okay. Grow. It begins to get warmer with the flowers blooming in the garden. Wow. This season is a very beautiful season. This season is called spring. Yes. The answer is spring season. Okay, beta. Now, 3. Answer the better. You will solve the blanks in the book, okay, and you will write these question answer in your fair copy of science subject, okay. Answer the following question. When is the rainy season where you live? Beta, the rainy season it starts from July to September in Pakistan, okay, where we live, okay, in Pakistan, okay. So the rainy season it starts from July to September in Pakistan. This is the answer of this question. And B, do you have a long summer or a short one? Because we have a long summer. We have a long summer. Okay. So the answer is we have a long summer in Pakistan. C, many countries in the world have 4 seasons. Can you name these seasons? Yes, you can also name these seasons. Okay. So the name of there are 4 seasons. In most of the countries, there are 4 seasons. Okay, name the season: spring, summer, autumn, winter. Very good. Okay, beta. D is have you ever seen a thunderstorm? Yes, we have seen a thunderstorm in the last days. Okay, beta. I think Friday and Saturday we have seen a thunderstorm. Okay, have you ever seen a thunderstorm? Discuss with your teacher what happened and write a sentence about it. Beta, I have already told you about the thunderstorm. Okay, or you can okay, beta, and you can write the answer from the slide about the thunderstorm. Okay, about the thunderstorm, you can write the answer from the slides. Okay, you can take the help from the slide. Okay, I have already told you when there is a thunder, a loud, noisy voice, when there is a rain and the lightning. This is called a thunderstorm. Okay, so this is now you can guess the season. This is a spring season, summer, fall, winter. Okay, beta. Thank you. So today's lecture end here, beta. So we have completed unit number 11, season. Okay, beta. So God bless you all. Allah Hafiz and have a nice day.